We've left the creek and pulled up into this bay here. We've parked the boat just around the corner. The tide's a little bit lower this time around, so we've left it up around the tip. And I'm just running back to camp. We're gonna grab some heavier rods and try head out and look at these islands. So yeah, we're gonna get out the creek and go into the ocean. That's the beauty about this spot. It's so nice. You can go fish those beautiful little creeks and then you can duck out into the ocean. So I've got the bigger rods. Leave camp. Look at this place, man. Look how blue the water is. Huh.
Right near.
Turtle. Tides come out here so quick, so we're just pulling up. We just found a little turtle. Hey buddy. Huh. They're quick. Come on. So you know what to do, like if one rod gets hooked up, you wind the other one in quick.
Yeah. Bit more swell around here, mate.
Troll. Still got it?
Yeah.
Nice, brother.
I think it's too big though. What is that?
Oh, a little queenie or something.
It looks like a mackerel.
Oh, little Mackie. Oh, little spotty. Don't lose him, that's good, Tucker. Yeah, nice work, brother.
Nice.
Alright.
Yeah, I didn't think it was too big, but still, that's pretty cool.
Nice, mate.
Oh, I got the plastic.
Perfect. Danny, we just caught this little school mackerel just on the troll. Only a little one, but they taste nice when you steak them up.
Right.
Danny's on again.
Oh, no. I think it's on today. Yeah.
Oh, bummer.
It jumped.
Did it?
Jumped a little bit.
Oh well, cast one back out to the left though.
Yeah.
And you can chuck it in your mouth and whip it up. Yeah, because that was a tiny little one, eh? Caught this big boy on top. we're back at camp now and we're going to do a bit of a catch and cook up a bit of lunch. So it's that little schooly mackerel we caught out in the ocean there. So it's only small, it was only just legal, it was about 60 centimeters. But we just chopped the head off and put it in one of the crab pots, which we checked on our way back to the camp. So yeah, we're pretty hungry. We're going to cook this up now and probably make some fish wraps. Yeah. Just going to go get a bit of firewood to get this fire going so we can cook it on the coals. Sweet. Alrighty, Danny's got that fire going over there. We're gonna let the coals burn down on that and then put a pan straight on top of it. So we're just gonna steak this little fella up. So nice and simple, we're just gonna steak it, dust it in a little bit of flour, and then just cook it straight on the fry pan in a bit of oil. Yeah, only a little Mackie, but honestly we're stoked with that. That's all we wanted. Just something to make us a little bit of lunch.
Try.
And then once we've staked them up, we're just going to dust them in a little bit of flour.
Okay.
There we go, so we just slightly dusted them with a bit of flour, and then we're just going to put them straight into the fry pan. Danny's just putting a bit of olive oil in the pan. Let me know when it's hot, brother. We'll just put it straight on.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay. There we go. We're just going to make some fish wraps and tuck in. Mmm. So nice, brother. So good. Yes, There it is. More in the center. Yeah, just in here, brother. So, yeah, just out there, so it's in the center of that. Yeah. Cause look at some oddies, eh? Oddie holes. Just got this nice little flatty, so I'm just checking the size to make sure he's all legal. It's got to be 40 centimeters. Oh, easy, mate. 40, probably about 47.
Keeper.
Yeah, that'll be some lunch or dinner for us. Oh, look at all those guards. Oh,
What?
all those guards are just darted off.
Another one.
Yeah. Oh, go back, putt into him. Go real quiet. No, remember, go real easy, mate. Just don't even rev it. Here, there's just a turtle over, me and Dan have spotted him. Yeah, cut it. He almost looks a bit trapped.
Nothing.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, that's so cool. Hold up, he's coming back. Oh, there's a big ray, Turtle just over here, and there's a big ray up the back, or another turtle. Cut it, neutral.
Where is it?
Look at this big guy, just down here.
Another one.
Oh, and it's another turtle. Hey mate, don't turn the outboard on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've actually seen a fair few, hey.
We've seen a lot of turtles coming into these little shallow estuary bits where all the mangroves are. So I'm guessing they come up here, try to get some food. Easy, mate. Come on, fishy.